Hello everyone. So today we are going to create a Power Automate flow to run the Power BI dataset refresh. In our previous video, we created a button in Power BI dashboard so that the user can refresh the dataset upon clicking on that button. You can refer to the link in the description for that video. But in this video, we are going to create a Power Automate flow that will trigger the refresh every 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 30 minutes. You can set that time period. Just note that in the Power BI, a different license has certain number of refreshes. For example, a Power BI Pro license has a total of 8 refreshes per day, including the manual refresh, scheduled refresh, and automated refreshes. A Power BI Premium license will have 48 refreshes per day, including a manual refresh or scheduled refresh or a Power Automate or be it combined. Why we are creating a Power Automate flow? Because if you'll go to the Power BI dataset settings from here on settings, if you scroll down, you'll see a refresh button here. Right now, the refresh is turned off. We will click it on and add time for a scheduled refresh. You can only have 8 refreshes per day. But with this Power Automate feature, the Power Automate flow, you can run multiple refreshes. Okay, so now let's start with our Power Automate flow. To go to the Power Automate, you can open a new tab and type Power Automate. It will take you to make.powerautomate.com. Once you go there, it will land you on the home page of Power Automate. If you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in. And when you log in, it will land you to the home page. Click on Create. Click on Power Automated Cloud Flow. You can skip this process. Click on Add Trigger and look for the schedule. This trigger will help you set the time period for each refresh. I'm setting 1 minute for now and select the time zone that you are in. And you don't need the start time. If you need a specific start time for the refresh, you can set that. I don't need it right now. And then click on add a new step and look for refresh or dataset. Click here. Now, once you click here, it will ask you for the workspace and the dataset. So I'm going to use the same workspace that I used in my previous video. And the dataset is also same, which is BI refresh. Once you set that, you can save. Now that the flow is ready to go, we recommend you to test it. It's turned on and will run when it's triggered. So we have already set a trigger for 1 minute. So we'll head back to our Power BI service page and we'll see if it's getting triggered or not. Right now, see, as you can see, the time is changing every minute. Right now, it's 11:15, 11:15 and 25 seconds. We'll wait for a minute and see if the time is getting updated or not. So now the time is 11:16 and the flow is running every minute, but it will start to fail after 48 refreshes as I have a premium license. As you can see that the time got changed to 11:16, so the refresh is working every minute. But note that the refresh will start to fail after its 48th refresh because only 48 refreshes are allowed in a premium license. So make sure that you're not exceeding those refreshes, or else it will start giving an error over here that you have exceeded the daily refreshes. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos on different topics, do comment and I'll make sure to post those videos to clear your doubts. Thank you.